Welcome back, everyone. This is Work on the N.R.T. Got that stinking broken axle out. That was quite fun to do. But we got it out. And now we can work on getting other stuff ready so we can get this put back together so we go ripping on it. And I knew that was going to happen. Okay. Whoa! I knew that was going to happen. This wire out of here. That wire over there. See if we can. I need a hammer for that one. That one's in there. Okay, got that one out. Now I should just be able to pull this out. Just like that, as you can see right there, we got some work to do on that. We indeed got work to do on that. I don't see any cracks, it's just bent. So I'll heat up with torch. I got some red paint. I'll try to stay away from these bushings, and these get tweaked like that some too. But that's off. And looks like we almost got a seal out right there too. Not much. And basically, guy would pretty much take the axle on the other side. I don't think I've straightened anything, just replace axle. But I mean, it's pretty simple. I'm not going to record me fixing this because, I mean, that's pretty simple. Just heat it up, bend it back. I'll probably put in a vise so I use the edge. And yeah, so it's gonna be a little quick video working on the old 800. Finally got that stinking axle out today. It was sure a pain, but we got it out. This is how we got it out. Just like that. Let's see if I get that out of there. Fighting me, son. It's fighting me. Put a wrench on it. See if that helps some. Trying you guys to show you what the hell I'm doing. You can do that. It's being a pain. Try this way. It's almost like welded itself in there. Can get some lubrication. That should work. Take it in there. Get in there. We almost got it out. Should have used the bolt, but I didn't have a bolt this size. Should have cut the hole bigger. That is right for the. Okay. Throw that in the scrap pile. Or, I mean, I could weld it up, clean up, and use that as a spare little thing, but nah. In that case, I was just getting a whole new axle like I did here. Once dirt or dust gets once the boot rips and you don't immediately fix the boot or get a new boot, you basically destroy the axle. And that's what's happened in this situation. So this is video on the 800. I'm working on it. I want to thank everyone for stopping by. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. And I'll catch you in the next one.